How do the big institutions buy their Bitcoin? Through exchanges like us, we guys, or do they do deals that have no impact on prices? The latter. Well done. Deals. So first of all, pure form. When they buy just pure Bitcoin is over the counter. There's a type of financial transaction that occurs outside of a centralized exchange. And in the context of buying Bitcoin, an OTC trade refers to a transaction between two parties, typically involving a large quantity of Bitcoin. Retail doesn't do it, but if you're buying 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 or 30,000 Bitcoin, you go OTC. And in fact, Coinbase facilitates a lot of this activity as well for large customers. Now, OTC trades are, again, large institutional buyers or high net worth individuals who want to buy or sell large quantities of Bitcoin without affecting the market price. Remember, we had an early player who got up and spoke great words. I think it was Peter Thiel at the Bitcoin conference. And a month before that, he was dumping. He probably did it OTC. And he probably lined somebody up, maybe Michael Saylor or somebody else to buy his bags. But again, that's how that works. But there are other ways which it can happen. Other methods, real simple. Buy things like proxies like MicroStrategy. A lot of people buy Bitcoin miners. You see BlackRock doing a lot of that. Some people buy spot ETFs in fabulous countries like Canada and Europe, where you can actually have your SEC equivalent allow spot ETFs. Then some buy GBTC, and some are actually buying it now with the heavy discount too. And some buy a Bitcoin's future ETF, just to have that exposure for a certain period, like 6 to 12, 18 months. So they are the other methods that institutions actually get in and play the game. So I would prefer, well, in a perfect world, I would say pure form is the best. Everything else is just an alternative.